Welcome, in front of me is Nokia 5.3 and in this video I will tell you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't recognize your face properly. So in such case we'll have to set up a new model, face model, and in order to do this, let's first open settings, scroll down and select security. Go to Face Unlock, confirm, and if you have previous face models on your phone, then remove them before proceeding. And once you're ready, select Setup Face Unlock, and before we start, let's wipe the frontal camera of the phone with the dry towel so that we can clearly see our face in the camera. And also make sure that lights in your room are properly set for the same reason. And once you're ready, select Start and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. OK. And once it's all set, press Done. And before we proceed, to make sure our features work properly, let's also go to the System section, select System Update, and check if our device has any updates pending. And if yours does, then take your time and install all the required updates, because this might affect the way that your features work on the phone. Right before we continue, let's also restart the phone by holding down the power key and selecting Restart, just in order to make sure that changes applied and everything works smoothly this time. Click Restart and wait until the phone is rebooted. And once the phone is restarted, let's first unlock it using the pattern or password or PIN code. And after that, let's lock the phone and try to unlock it using our face model. And as you can see, everything went well for me, and I hope it did for you too this time. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel. Let us know about it in the comments, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.